wish you and you should together. So, my dear learners, okay? On tonight, have a good day. It's right. And good. Be happy. Thank you. I do like you win. I hope you win. I would like to be our father. You are superstar. Oh, you are superstar, Blake. Very good. Now, Abjan. Have a good day. Have a good rest. Thank you. I wish you enjoy it. And enjoy it. Why are we going to
Thanks, very good. Now, you must divide into two groups. I'll give you puzzles of papers. You must do puzzles of winter sports and the summer sports.
How is the picture? Now, are you ready? My dear brothers? Yes. Oh, very good. Now, what is it? What is in this picture?
Summer or winter? Summer. This is summer sport. Now this is winter. This is a winter sport. Very good. Now good work. Now sit down, please. This is first group of summer sports. Azamat, you are a captain of this work. Okay? And this your duties. And this is the second group. What kind?
Winter sports.
Very good. Now tonight, and you are a captain of this.
Yes.
And this is your roles. You must divide into 7 learners. Okay? Let's do some home task. Home task. Remember? You all remember? What exercise?
Exercise 3.
Page what?
Page
19. Okay, very good. Who wants to say the home task? Who wants? Home task.
Exercise 3.
Page 19. The name of a person. Yeah? What is the name of your favorite person? You must give answers to these questions. Yes. Now, are you ready? My mother's name is. Very good. Now, this group. Who wants to say the name of your country? Of our country.
This is
Who wants?
the name of country from Kazakhstan.
The name of our country is
Kazakhstan.
to be is Kazakhstan. Very good. What is your favorite team? What is your favorite team of sport? Team.
Tribe.
What is team? Is Kairat? Of what kind of sport? Football. The name of our city. Silent, stand up.
The name of
City Taras, is Taras. Baba, is деген кибетсін қаймыз, the name of city is Taras. Так, and what is our language of nationality?
Women.
Nationality. Nation, Kazakh, nation. Good. Your work is excellent. This group won stickers and
You're a superstar, Sayan. Very good. And good work. And star effort. Okay? Collect these stickers. Look at this video.
Pause. At the beginning of our lesson, let's watch the video by Kazakhstan TV.
Asian Games Championship. Yeah, Indian and Kazakhstan. Now, what's the theme of our lesson? Who wants to say? Sayan, Marisa, who wants to?
Sports in the Kazakhstan.
Sport in Kazakhstan. Okay. Now,
You are right.
sports in Kazakhstan.
now, my dear learners, these are key learning objectives and language objectives and the lesson objectives. You have descriptors for each tasks and they are written in answer interactive board. Okay? Basketball game, you know, you have seen a video about sports and I want to give answers. Okay? You must give me to these questions. What do you see on the video? What do you see on the video? Так. Ayahu. What do you see in this? No, that video.
I see in this videos Kazakhstan.
I saw. And the past simple. I saw. Now, what sports are popular in our country? Dimash, who wants? Amjan? Dimash. What sports are popular in our country? What sports? Box, football, basketball, and taekwondo. Cycling. Yes? Okay. The next. Do you like sports? Kazan? Do you like sports? Yes or no? And basketball. Volleyball and basketball. Yes, I like. Do you like PE lessons, Ablay? PE lessons. What is PE? Physical? Education. Do you like? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, I do. Right.
Nisan Sattarxanov, Baxtiyor Aqtoyev.
Okay, that's very good. This is much better. Well done. Excellent one. Brilliant. And special word. Vocabulary word. Take your vocabulary books. Take your pens and look at the board and listen to me and repeat after me. Okay? Football. Football.
Football. Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Hockey.
Hockey.
Tennis.
Tennis.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Skiing.
Skiing.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding.
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
What's your favorite sport? Paywork. Жұтты жұмыс, немесе тоқтау жұмыс.
What is favorite sport? My favorite sport is tennis.
Можно? Я знаю.
What is your favorite sport? My
Покажи.
favorite sport is football.
My favorite sport is football. What is one? Process.
What is your favorite sport?
Favorite.
Sport?
Volleyball. Marcel, what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is taekwondo.
Taekwondo. Because he is taekwondo. Very good. Now, Muslima, what is your favorite? Persons. Now, who wants to say? Now, saya. Irmakan Ibrahimov. Ibrahimov and Sergey Sapir. What is the first person? Who is? Very good, Bakhtiar Artayev. Palace. Назерке балуан жолақ спорт Palace. Okay, very good. Well done. Excellent. At this table, please. Let's learn grammar. This, that, is, those. Енді түрлері, мысалы, this деген жақын жерде тұрған, мынау дегенді білген. Көпше түрде деп айтады. Это сымен айтса, это ызбен айтылады. This. Мына жерде, ана жерде деп алыс тұра береді. Например, for example, this or those. This. Those. Алыстан тұра береді. Those. And this or that. This ball, and this kind.
Say a word, жұтасамыз. Так. Команда не істеп Okay, ready? Quickly. Time.
Now, what is book? Open your book at the page 20. Exercise 2. Read and listen to the text. My favorite sport and answer the questions. Okay? The first group, the first text, and the second text.
My name's Helga,
Listen to
and I'm 12. My favourite sport is horse riding. I love horses.
I cycle to school every day. These are my cousins, Alpay and Yeyen, with their bikes. Cycling is very popular in Kazakhstan.
Okay. These two texts form the first text, Talak, and the second text, Inju. Okay? You find the answers to these questions. The first text and the second text must give answers. Okay? Аха. Оқимыз, бірлесіп. Атыстамыз. Let's start. 3 claps. Let's start. Who wants to give answers? These questions.
How old is
Now you are captain and divide. How old is Talgat?
Talgat is 12.
Talgat is 12. Sayang.
What is Talgat's favorite sport?
What is Talgat's favorite sport?
Talgat is favorite sport is horse riding.
Riding. Horse riding.
Neutral carpet and cycling. Cycling. Yes. Now you must give these the words. Group work. Read these words and then persons. Great sportsmen. Yes. Yes. Link. This link looks at the table and links the words. Read the correct silence comes. What?
I have 6 diplomas.
6 diplomas and many medals.
Very many.
Okay, that's very good. Now, Siriksa and Inko, our footballer, bizim futbolistimiz değil.
Hello, my name is Sayan. I am 11. I go to football at 9 age. I like football. Football makes a person healthy. Our class win the first place school competition.
Our first place competition.
My name is Marcel. I'm 11. I like sports. I go to taekwondo. At the name age. I have
So many competitions. Diplomas and competitions.
My name is Azam. I am 11. I want to be sportsman. I like to be arm wrestling.
Okay. Very good. Let's conclude our lesson. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. What is prebab? Translate. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Bir alma yesek dini soğuk. A sound mind in a sound body. A sound mind in a sound body. Здоровом теле, здоровый дух. Жұматай Алтынай. Superstar award. The best boy. And I want award the first group and the second group, these diplomas. Thank you very much. You are very nice. The first group captain and the second group captain Altınay. And give me your marks, please, to each other. Right to listen about my favorite sport, okay? Criteria based assessment. No, Kausar. Так. Аружан. Your mark is 7 points. Sayan, 9 points. Так. 10 points. 10 points. Нарислам, 6 points. Okay? Так, Аружан, 6 points. Аглай, 7 points. Так, Назарке, 7 points. Димаш, 10 points. Азамат, 10 points. That is Dimаш, 7 points. Okay? Павел. I wait you for your marks.
12
stickers, eh?
Yes.
Okay. And then with the friendship, okay? With the friendship, dostluk kimde? Thank you.